Hey Reno family, so this is the guest toilet. It never existed, so we had to put it there. It's next to the bathroom, the garage. So at least when you're doing your business, you are far from everyone else. You're just next to the garage, so it'll be comfortable. So with the garage, the doors and also the roof will be taken out, and that's the new DB box where it's going to be. Remember, it was inside the house next to the main bedroom. So this week the roofing had started. They started putting on the tiles. Remember, this is my wing where the bedroom is and everything that I need. So they're rushing so that when the other house is sold, we have a place where we can actually sleep. Um, it became hectic after this, guys. You will see with the next videos that they had to like push as fast as they can for us to be able to move into a house that is livable, because we couldn't really go and stay in an Airbnb and pay a mortgage as well. So we decided we're going to stay at home. Even if it's not finished, we're gonna move in here once the other house is sold. Sorry, I didn't even greet you guys. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for being loyal and waiting for the videos. I know that a lot of you are waiting for the progress and everything. The progress is going great this week. So they're trying to push as much as they can with regards to the roofing, because that's the one thing that we needed for inside so that we can be able to move in. So here the garage doors, remember it was two doors, and the roof, they both out, and now the two doors have now become one single garage door. I wanted a bigger garage door, so hence the two were removed and now we are left with one. So this is how the house looks like from outside. Still looks the same, nothing much has been done. However, it is going to be broken on the side of the other wing, the west wing. Things are going to be leveled, and things are also going to be made to look, I don't know what the word is, but there will be breakings done. So what you're seeing right now is going to look totally different a couple of weeks from here. So this is to the dining room. Remember, the dining room will be leveled so that it's the same level as the kitchen as well. There's the garage, you guys. There's nothing now. It's just a rubble. It's nothing basically. So I'm hoping that they will work as fast as they can so that they can finish the work as soon as they can. There's the garage doors on the floor, my blanket and everything, which are old. Unfortunately, I cannot reuse that. We had to buy other ones to make the new roof. See, it's actually a freaking rubble. It's a nothing. It's like people left running, and people came and they stole whatever that they could salvage to go and sell. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye.